It was a moment of praise and the expression of unreserved gratitude to God for his faithfulness, mercy, and love towards his people during the maiden Enugwu-Ukwu Praise Night 2025 held at the Enugwu-Ukwu Civic Center in Enugwu local government area. The event, with the theme Sound of Victory, featured series of praise and worship sessions as well as moments of prayer, during which participants expressed appreciation to God for his mercy and for helping them to navigate the challenges of the year 2025. ABS correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo tells us more.
Speaking, the organizer of the event and a staff member of the Anambra Broadcasting Service, Mrs. Enugwu-Ukwu, thanked God for the success of the program and appreciated the participants for their turnout and assured them that subsequent editions will be more glorious.
Well, if Jesus tarries, we know that it's going to be greater, it's going to be more impactful, it's going to be more anointed, because I know that God moves in mysterious ways to perform his wonders. It's going to bring greater number of people to be here to worship God together, to lift the name of God, and of course to bring glory to the land of Enugu.
On his part, the chairman of the planning committee, Reverend Father Jude Ozumba, reminded people of the need to praise God in both good and bad times, noting that a heart of gratitude and praise motivates God to fight the battles of his people.
People should learn how to sacrifice their time and leisure and come together to worship God. We are going to gain a lot if we do that. It takes a lot to do something, and for you to gain something from what you want God to do for you, you need some little sacrifice.
From Enugu-Ukwu in Enugwu Council area, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo reporting for ABS News.